Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 11 public places. Today children we are going to learn page number 53. Children open page number 53. Already you know the public places. See children, everyone in society has equal right to visit any of the public place. You can visit forts, you can visit the museum, you can visit the bus stand, railway station, any garden, park, playgrounds, theatre, bazaar, any public places, hospital, post office, any public place you visit any time. We have to now see children, we are able to live a comfortable life and do a lot of work because of these public places. Children, we feel there comfortable, we feel here suitable, and we having the work also due to the public places. Now see, hence proper care should be taken to maintain these public places in a good condition. We have to take the proper care of these public places. What care we should take? Today we are going to learn. We are going to learn the rules should be observed strictly to look after these places. Means children, today I am going to tell you the 8 rules of the public places. What should we have to follow these rules? We have to follow strictly these rules. Now children, see, first one is all the public places should be kept clean. Children, you have to see all the public places should be kept clean. Don't make it dirty. Any public place, garden is there, anything. Second, don't spit. Spit means thumkane or throw garbage in public places. You have to don't spit or don't throw garbage in public places. You have to throw in the dustbin. Don't throw here on the public place. Third one, observe silence in public places like the hospital. You are observing children picture of hospital, libraries and museum. So children, don't make their noise. You have to keep the silence. Always follow the silence. Shanta raha. Now see the third number properly. You are observing here hospital, library and museum. There always you have to follow the silence. Now fourth one, don't crowd but form queues at public places. Means you have to don't crowd means gardi karu naka, and you have to go in line. Queen means line only you have to go in public places. Suppose ST bus is there, you have to go in line only there. Don't make there crowdy. Now children, see the fifth rule. Don't write or engrave on the walls of historical places. Means you have to don't write on the wall, or here new word is there, engrave means design. Don't draw any design on the walls of historical places. Means some people are drawing designs or writing something on the forts. So don't write that. Now sixth, in some places entry fee has to be paid for the visit. So buy a ticket and visit the place. Suppose we want to visit any museum, their entry fee is given. So you have to pay the money and then only visit the place. You have to take see children, here you are observing the now seventh rule, never travel in a public vehicle without ticket. Suppose you are going by ST bus, then you have to take the ticket. Without ticket you have to don't travel. Now last rule children, don't do any work or action that will spoil public property. Spoil means damage. Don't do any work like this way. You are observing in this picture, this is only wrong work is going on here. You have to don't do any work that will spoil the public property. Spoil means damage the public property, nashta karne. So follow these all 8 rules. Now children, spellings. Comfortable means suitable. comfortable. Comfortable means suitable. Next word, strictly. 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 Next word, split. spit. Spit means here thunkani. Next word, garbage. 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 Next word, silence. 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 You have to write one by one. Here space is given, but you don't do any space. You have to write line by line. Now crowd. crowd. Crowd means गर्दीचे ठिकाण. A large number of people in one place. Next quiz. queue. Quiz means line. Engrave. engrave. Now children, next word, spoil. spoil. Spoil means damage. Children, these all words you have to write in the notebook. Now children, it's time of homework. Today's homework. Write spellings in the notebook and learn spellings. Read lesson number 11.